On to the exercises. I'm going to read in the flights data set here. Use a dictionary in the group by ag method to calculate the mean, median, min, and max of the air time for each airline. So flights group by, we're going to group by the airline. We want to aggregate air time. So the air time is right here. Air underscore time. We're going to use a dictionary here. We're going to map it to all of these aggregations. So mean, median, min, and max, like that. All right, next one. Number 2, without using the ag method, calculate the number of unique destinations for each airline. So without using the ag method. So we're going to again group by airline. The number of unique destinations. Let's go over here, look at our data set. Here's the destinations. So we can select destinations like as a column and do n unique like this. The number of unique, that should have clued you into n unique aggregation. All right, number 3, calculate the mean of every numeric column for each airline in origin without using the ag method. Okay, so we're going to group by airline and origin. That's this. And we'll do mean, and just to be sure, we'll say numeric only equals true. So this will do all of them at once. So mean department time for this combination, mean arrival time. So a whole lot of aggregations going on, and you don't have to specify the column. It just does all of them if you immediately chain the aggregating method like this. All right, that's it for the exercises.